Okay, today we're talking about wall-mounted electric heaters. So here's what a sort of a ubiquitous wall-mounted electric heater looks like. You can find these in commercial office space like a hallway, a lobby, a foyer, an elevator, lobby. So basically it's a metal box that gets mounted inside the wall. And they range in voltage. They could be 120 volt, 208, 240. There's a fan that sucks air in and it blows the air across an electric heating element represented in this 3D model in red, and then blows out hot air or warmed air back into the space. And there's usually going to be a temp probe that is connected to the thermostat knob so you can adjust the temperature. There's usually an on and off switch for the fan, for the heater. And then there's usually like a high limit safety switch so the unit can't overheat, because obviously that would be dangerous. These are usually meant just for supplemental heating. They're not meant to be your primary source of heat in general. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.